Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer funds from Ecobank using USSD. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of initiating a transfer using your mobile phone. First, ensure you have an Ecobank account and a mobile phone with a registered phone number linked to your account. You will also need to have a sufficient balance in your account to initiate a transfer. To start the transfer process, dial the Ecobank USSD code, which is typically provided by the bank. For most countries, the code is 326. Once you have dialed the code, select the transfer option from the menu. Next, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's account number. Enter the correct account number of the recipient, ensuring that the account is also with Ecobank or another supported bank. After entering the account number, you will be asked to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Enter the amount using the numeric keypad on your phone, ensuring that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer amount. You will then be prompted to enter a 4 or 6-digit PIN to authenticate the transaction. This PIN is usually set when you first register for the USSD service. Once you have entered the PIN, the system will verify the transaction details, including the recipient's account number and the transfer amount. If the details are correct, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successful. It is essential to note that USSD transfers are subject to certain limits and charges. These limits and charges vary depending on the country and the type of account you hold with Ecobank. To avoid any issues during the transfer process, ensure that you have a stable network connection and that your phone has enough battery life. It is also essential to keep your PIN confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily transfer funds from your Ecobank account to another account using the USSD service. This convenient service allows you to initiate transfers anywhere and at any time, providing you with greater control over your finances.